Do we really need to exercise in order to live a healthy life? Well, to answer this question, let me take you a few generations back. Just think about your great great grandparents. Now, you don't necessarily have to remember how they used to look or what their names are. Just think about their environments. Can you imagine them saying, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning and go for a run? I have to go to the gym. The answer is no, because they didn't have to think about it, as they were already doing light to moderate and sometimes heavy, intense physical activities like walking for miles, carrying stuff from one place to another, farming, and even lifting heavy weights with no intention to build muscles. Nobody was really worried about their health, as almost everybody was fit. Only a handful of rich people could afford other people to work for them, and that's why they were out of shape. This is the first time in the history of human evolution that we have to exercise in order to stay fit. So, what has changed in the last 100 years that experts are encouraging people to exercise more and intentionally? See, after the World War II, which was the deadliest conflict between countries, thousands of people were dying every day just because of hunger, because the crops were destroyed and supplies were disrupted. To tackle this situation, Food and Agriculture Organization was established by United Nations, which completely revolutionized the way we produce food. Most of the tasks that needed human efforts to produce crops were replaced by machines. So after that industrial revolution, people no longer had to work really hard in order to get the food, and we became abundant with food without putting enough energy. So there was a mismatch between the amount of food we were getting and the amount of energy we had to spend to get that food. Experts realized that some non-communicable diseases like cardiovascular diseases, cancer, metabolic diseases, musculoskeletal and neurodegenerative diseases, and last but not least, worsened mental health conditions have increased over the past 75 years. This is only because your physical activity level is not matching with the energy or calories you're consuming. As we all know that there is an easy access to almost everything. If you're hungry, forget about growing your own crops. People don't even go to grocery stores and get food for themselves. Few easy clicks will give you access to hundreds and thousands of options for ready to eat meals. See, I'm not here to encourage you guys to go out and work hard, grow your own food, and then eat it, although that's an option. My point here is to remind you that we are not evolved for this lifestyle we are living in. See, physical activity played a crucial role in the survival of human race, and that is why it has become a part of our lives. Any kind of physical activity, whether it's walking, running, jumping, or even playing your favorite sport, will keep you away from non-communicable diseases. You don't have to destroy yourself every day in the gym. Just the basic formula of keeping your activity level up, then the amount of food you're eating will do the job. For example, if you're consuming 2000 calories, but your body requires 2200 calories to function everything, that 200 deficit will be used from the warehouse of your fat. If done consistently for a long period of time, you wouldn't realize that your body is getting leaner and leaner. But there's always a right way to do it. Some people completely go on starvation mode, which is not sustainable and has a lot of harmful effects, which is itself a different topic. And if you want me to explain, just comment down below and I'll make another video explaining everything. The whole purpose of making this video is to spread awareness that physical movement is really crucial for us, especially for this generation when almost every job requires no physical effort. And over the long period of time, the consequences will be catastrophic. So start today by doing just 15 minutes of walk or anything, play a sport. Any physical movement will make a difference and can save you from non-communicable disease. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And if you have any thoughts, just comment down below. Until next time, stay active, keep moving.